Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. This is Spanky, and we are doing Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 Group Challenge 52 weeks of tags, and we are on week 27. There we go. Hello, everybody. I hope everybody is having a wonderful week and had a good weekend. I hope everybody has a good week. Alright, so as always, my tag pre-cut from a file folder. This is our first week of the second half of the year. We're already 26 weeks in. Awesome. So this week's prompts is 4th of July theme. Our word is proud. And our material and texture is use a flag of your country. And for the USA, our color combination is red, white, and blue, or colors of your own flag. So basically, because we have several people in the group from different areas of the world, that I don't want to just base it on the United States. So whatever your country is, that's the colors you will use for your tag. And if you're in the USA, you would use the American flag, and so forth. So here's my tag, 7 inches by 3.5. Yeah, I had to think for a second. It's been a while. And I have chosen some scrapbook paper. So I will be using these, which is red and white striped and stars up there. And I fussy cut this lady out. It was a pain in the butt. So I'm going to be using her. And I thought I printed my word out, but I guess I didn't. So, I don't know if I have a sticker with that word on there or not. Probably not. I don't see it. I have the Tim Holt sticker, so we'll just have to check that. I don't think I've ever seen one that said proud. I might have to have Squirrel come in and read these and look for me. Okay, we're going to see if I have alphabet. Nope, that's not alphabet. Alphabet stickers right here that I can use to spell the word. Oop, we might have to use this one. Oh, there's some blue ones. Ooh, I might be able to use those. Oh, and there's some red ones. Okay. So that will work for that. Okay, so my lighting is all weird. I don't know what's up with it, but so what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do half of it with the stars, cut part of it off, put the stars, and then do the stripes. So I thought I did it wrong for a second. Did I do it wrong? Probably. No. Okay. So that's going to go like that. Now, there we go. And then I'll just cut the excess off when I'm done. That should work. And I'm just going to put this on with some score tape. This is going to be a little on the fast side because it's like 100 degrees in my craft room. I have a fan going in the hallway to kind of help pull the air from the living room in from the air conditioner, but it's not helping that much and it's still extremely hot in here. So hopefully I don't sweat to death before I get this done. It could happen. Make sure I got all the word spacing the right way, because that won't be good. There we go. Oh. I was saying I lost my scissors, but they're right there. Alright, and one little piece of score tape up here on this. That's going to be hidden by the top of my tag. Anyways, right here. Yeah. Oh, I should have distressed the edge of that first. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Ooh, I don't know if I want to use that lady or this. What do I want to use? Or did color in, you might be able to see a little bit of color, probably not, but there's a little bit of color on the flag. Tim Holtz paper dowel. I used a Sharpie and colored the colors right, and then I wiped it off with some rubbing alcohol. So maybe I will use that. I might use that instead of this lady. Maybe. I think so. And I got some pop-ups. Where is my pop-ups here? Oh, somewhere I have some. There we go. There's some pop-ups. Let me go get. I don't want nothing else. Never mind. Alright. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do is that. Okay. Make sure I got all this off. So I'm gonna put that like, I want to put her there. Yeah, we're gonna put her there. Okay. Cool. I think I'm going to do this as my word. I think it'll stand out better. Let's see, P. Hopefully we will pull up. Yes. PR. Gotta move my girl. Whoops. Why are you guys not staying down? So it's better. These stickers are old too, that's probably why. There's Lord Cloud. And let's see, what else can we add here? Yeah, I kind of liked her a lot, but I don't want to use her. What else do I want to add? Look here. I have a... Oh, I could have just cut the word proud out of that. That would have worked. I have this book. I've had this for like 5 years now, and I have never used it. So that's where my paper came from. One of them came from this book, and the other one came from another book. So, yeah. Let's see if I can find something else in here I can use. I had another book somewhere. I just don't know where it's at. Well, I like that paper. I should have used that one. That's okay. Oh, that's a cool one. I like that. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find anything else. Some of these words on this paper here I might be able to trim out. Okay, so I'm just going to cut some of these words out here. It says Patriot, Freedom, Honor, USA, Honor. Did I ever put Honor? Yes, it's already on there. That's okay. Courage. That's it on them. So I'll save these for something else. I have a dish with words in there, so we'll use them. Get my distress tool here and distress these edges a little bit. So if everybody has been enjoying our tag challenge, I enjoy it. It's definitely helped me get into different things that I normally don't dabble in, so, or use. So it's kind of nice. I'll slightly rub my distress tool here over my stars a little bit, kind of to dinge this up a little bit so it's not so bright. I want it to blend in a little better from the background there. There. Ooh, I like it! My lighting is so weird. Let's see. Oh, that's better. Maybe? Oh, there we go. I think I like that better. Okay. I changed my light a little bit, so hopefully not too bad. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I like this. I like how it turned out. I'm gonna lose my words here if I don't be careful. So then I want to add some lines, I think, around the edges. I think I'm gonna go with red. Do I want to? Maybe I'll just do the black. Just to add a little bit of an edge on this. Hope you guys can't hear my fan. It's probably loud because I can see it triggering the voice thing. I like how it's turned out so far. It's subtle. Okay. Like that. Let's have that black edge around into these words here. So they stand out some. There we go. Make that better. Makes it stand out. Not sure I like the word proud on that, but I don't think I really like it like that. Maybe I should use the... I think the glitter letters are just going to be too much, so that's why, yeah. I thought I had a sticker or something that had the word proud on it, but I couldn't find it, so. I don't know where it went, but I like how this turned out. So here we have week 27. Yay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me turn on autofocus so you can see it, I guess. There we go. Now I'm going to bring it closer. Is it gonna focus, maybe? Focus? There we go. I like how it turned out. Let's turn this light off. Hang on. Oh, much better. It was too much of a glare. So it says freedom, USA, patriot, courage, honor, and proud. Down there. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time.